Oh, jumping. You got it. Don't stop. You got it. Oh, Bo, you wiped out. Keep going, man. Little.
Jumping.
Where are you going? Come back this way. Where are your pants? Are they good? All right, fine. I thought they were coming down. You finished? Go this way. This way. This way. Okay, rest. I'm just doing this till you lose your pants. Oh. Where are you going? This way. That's a boy. Are you tired? Nope, not tired. Are you losing your pants? Do you miss your dad? No, apparently not. Okay, off the end. Boom.